what are some important things to keep in mind when hiring a roofing contractor?
When hiring a roofing contractor, you want to make sure that you check your local Better Business Bureau. You're going to want to make sure that the company's been in business for a number of years, that they've got the proper liability insurance. You want to make sure they've got a WCB account. You want to make sure that's up to date, and you want to find out what their workmanship warranty is like.
You as a consumer, it is up to you to do your homework on who you're going to hire for your roof.
What advice do you have for dealing with hail damage on a home?
When you've had hail damage, if there's been a hail event in your neighborhood, the first thing that you want to do is you want to reach out to your insurance company. After that, you're going to want to reach out to your local roofing company. Most of us are all HAG certified for catastrophic events such as hailstorms. We can then come out, we can assess the damage. The whole insurance process doesn't need to be a completely painful process. What you want to do is you want to ensure that the whole way along that your contractor is staying in touch with you. We're able to submit reports, we're able to work directly with insurance. It should be one phone call as opposed to 20 when dealing with insurance. We can help you with that.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.